Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, y'all. First thing first, let's go ahead and get this squash cut up. Now, in this recipe, we're gonna cut these into thinner slices. I would say maybe about a 1/8 inch thick. Now, oh yeah, while you here, don't forget to give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And once we get it cut up, we're gonna go ahead and rain on. Hit them with a little salt and pepper. And then we're gonna crack 2 eggs into our bowl. And we're gonna give those a little whisk them up really well. Now once we get that egg thoroughly combined, we're gonna get our squash in. And we wanna make sure we get it coated really well with that egg. And once we get that coated in that egg, we're gonna get that into our flour cornmeal mix, which is half and half, and it's seasoned with salt and pepper. And of course, I'm using that shake method. It just makes it so easy, y'all. Just makes it so easy. So yeah, once we get that all shaken up, it's time to go in that grease now, y'all. Time to go in that grease. So let's get into our 350-degree vegetable oil and get them fried on up, y'all. Get them fried up. Now once we reach that golden brown, it's time to get them on out, y'all. Now these don't fry that long. It probably took this batch about 3 to 5 minutes. And once we get these out, it's time to get that next batch right on in. Once those reach that golden brown texture, you know what time it is then. It's time to plate up. Let's go ahead and get our summer squash on that plate. So now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of that sweet pepper sauce. Oh my goodness. And guess what? Let's give this a taste, y'all. Give it a little dippy dip. Look at that, y'all. Don't it look good? Guess what? It tastes good too, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.